Hi, I'm Kim with Ketchup and Cooking. We're camped out here on the desert south of Quartzsite, Arizona. What a beautiful day. It is a little cloudy and overcast, but we're going to have a great time out here camping. And what we're doing today is something great, something simple and easy when you're out camping, and it is Sloppy Joes with a kick. And boy, we went on a hike this morning, and we hiked up to Palm Canyon, and we worked up an appetite for these. And we'll be showing you these and putting them together here in a little bit. Right now, we're getting our coals ready. Excuse me, not our coals. There isn't enough firewood out here today to gather up for having coals, so we're using briquettes, which works absolutely fine, and we're doing this in the 10-inch Dutch oven. What I've done first here is brown my hamburger, as you can see, and this is really nice lean hamburger. There's hardly any fat at all in it, which is great. And now I'm putting in a medium-sized onion that's all diced up. I've got 3 garlic cloves and jalapeno peppers, 1 jalapeno pepper seeded. Of course, that helps take care of the heat out, some of the heat out. We're going to simmer this for a bit, continue to put the heat on it, and we're going to put the lid on this to help keep this heat going. So we're going to brown this, and then we'll go on to the next ingredients. What I've done here is I'm going to tell you the ingredients that I put into this. The wind is really blowing and the temperature's dropping. So I have added a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, a can of tomato paste. I've added a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a good teaspoon of chili powder. And I've mixed this all together. And if I've missed anything or you didn't quite catch it all, you can go into the description below and click onto that, and that'll give you all the ingredients. And also, we sure hope that you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. You know, on every Tuesday, we have a new video coming out, which we have a lot of really wonderful videos, lots of really great recipes, all kinds of wonderful stuff. So we hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you in a little bit. We're going to serve this on a toasted bun. Actually, I wish it would be toasted, but it won't be because we're out here camping. Okay, we'll see you after a bit. Look at this beautiful meal. We finally got it done. You know, it was kind of touch and go today out here camping on the desert. It started raining, the wind came up, and I'm not fooling you, that temperature dropped to 42 degrees, and we thought we might see snow. But then the sun came out and cleared up. Oh my, life is good. And we're going to enjoy this tonight. This will be it. And thank you for joining us today. Of course, remember our motto is, great food shared with family and friends equals great times, which we are going to share this with our neighbors that are camped next to us here.
All right, I can't wait. Till we meet again next time.